Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID for your banking apps in a simple way, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure Face ID is set up on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Step 2. If not already configured, tap Set up Face ID and follow the instructions to scan your face. Step 3. Open the banking app you want to enable Face ID for from your home screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Security or Settings section within your banking app, usually found under Account Settings or Profile. Step 5. Look for an option such as Enable Face ID, Use Biometrics or similar setting. Step 6. Toggle the Face ID switch to the on position to enable facial recognition login. Step 7. You may be asked to authenticate one last time with your password or PIN to confirm the change. Step 8. Close the app and reopen it to test the Face ID login. Your face should be recognized automatically for quick and secure access. If Face ID fails, make sure your face is well lit and positioned correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.